Hello! My design journey for the module Studio Practice 1 started by researching on the D&AD Awards, which is a very interesting platform for graphic designers. I then started thumbnail sketching as per 5 industry design briefs. I selected GIFGAF, Do the Green Thing, Disney, BBC, and Netflix. I chose the design brief of the BBC as it appealed to me the most. I then proceeded with a personality test to know my strengths and weaknesses in depth. A Gantt chart was created for time management purposes. This process has helped me greatly as time management is one of my weaknesses, and forward planning helps me greatly to diminish stress levels during an assignment. After much thought and deliberation, I decided to go forward with the design brief of the BBC. Coming from a media background myself, the aim and objective of the brief was in line with what I want to do someday. Education is a vital cog in the life of a child, and helping them to learn better should be the leitmotif of every human being. I started researching on the BBC and its program contents. The BBC Kids channel and BBC CBeebies channel is what I tried to exploit. I created an initial brainstorm, mind map, and a mood board. I looked for in-demand cartoon characters that children are liking these days, and their design styles and colors or textures. Then I reviewed them and proposed other refined versions of more informed ideas and concepts. I located 3 designers and explained how their design styles could inspire me during my design process. Neville Brody, Saul Bass, and Paula Scher have inspired me greatly while doing this assignment. Their styles and typographic influence have helped me to render a better visual and aesthetic feel to my work. I generated 6 camps to ideate my current mood board and drew inspiration from the 3 designers I chose. During this phase, I decided to try to use a robot as my main character and develop its conceptual value to the project. I considered an unconscious bias in the form of man against machine and catered for ethical considerations such as gender inequality. Then new versions of my layout were generated with a clear typographic choice. The character was named Octobot due to the 8 main movements and postures it has been created to make. Octobot will be used as a learning robot to help children learn new things in a casual and friendly way. Octobot will appear as a pop-up during existing TV shows on BBC and interact with children. The designs were reviewed and modifications were made by making it in line with the BBC News logo color. It was added as a branding element and to help BBC refresh its flagship channel. I then finalized my work with deliverables as per the design brief of the BBC by proposing 8 slides to show in situ how the Octobot concept will appear on screen and on different digital platforms. Thank you.